Hi, welcome to Amplemarket. In order to start prospecting, we need to make sure your account is first connected. To do so, we'll go to the bottom left in settings and go to mailbox first. Here you can connect your mailbox. As you can see, mine is already done. What you would need is to click on add mailbox, select the relevant one and click on connect. Once you have done that, we need to make sure to install the Chrome extension. This is important for us to be able to use LinkedIn as well. Click on install, add to Chrome, add the extension. Once that is done, we can go back into Amplemarket. And as this loads, you'll see we have the latest version installed. Perfect. Next, we would need to go into LinkedIn. And in here, we need to connect your LinkedIn account. Once that loads, you can see I'm already logged in on the browser and I'll click on connect. That has begun its work. And if I click on refresh, we see the account is connected. Also, make sure to connect the relevant account if you have a basic, a premium or NAV. Perfect. Best of luck prospecting.